Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and also good evening. So now I am going to do task 1 for our mini project 1. So task 1 we need to configure, install and set up MQTT broker server. Okay, so firstly we go to our AWS website, then we go to our EC2, and then first we need to create our security groups. Since we are configuring and creating MQTT broker server, so we name it just that, MQTT broker server. Description same, MQTT broker server. Okay, and then we need to set up the inbound rule. Inbound means outside device to server, accessing to server, it's flowing that direction. And outbound rules is vice versa of that, which is from server we can let's say we want to transfer data, so outbound means that we will transfer the data from server to outside device. So outbound rule we don't set up, but inbound rule we need to set up, since we gonna configure this server to be set up and be used as broker for MQTT application. So here 183 port range, 8080 port range, and also we need to set up so that any device can access it. Then 8081 port, and also same, any device can access. And lastly it's SSH 22 also for any device. Double check 183 0808081 and 22 SSH. Okay, so outbound rule, by default we are free, sort of like we can just transfer anything from the server to the outside devices. So we create security group, click on the security group. Sorry, the name MQTT broker server is already used, so we just change KDBRO, just capital B, server, same for description, MQTT broker server. Click create security group. There's a bit of problem, so we just name it other things, MQTT broker server, MQTT broker server. Okay, take that. Yep, successful. Yeah, so that's a success. We go to security group back. So here, MQTT broker server, our security group is created, and then we need to install and configure an MQTT broker on the server. Install and configure. Okay, so first we go to instances, then we launch instances. We name our instances MQTT broker server. We use Ubuntu. then we choose our key pair. This is key pair that I've created, so I'm gonna use my key 2, and then we choose our security group firewall, choose one we've created just now, MQTT broker server. Okay, then we click launch instances, so we wait. Okay, so it's done, it's created. Okay, so here it is, MQTT broker server, it's running. we then we con so then we need to configure. So we go to clouds, Microsoft.NET IoT, then we go to here on premise, we go to here KDT broker. So here, and then we need to access our putty, and then we copy uh, the public address of our server, paste, and then go to SSH credential, and we choose our key pair, in which I use my key 2 previously, so we choose that. Open, accept, and then we access our server. Just type Ubuntu. Okay, then here we need to set up our password, which is sudo, type sudo password root, and then we type our password, and then we enter super user, type in the password we've created previously, and then here we are in super user. When we are in super user, we need to copy and paste this line, so that this thing essentially is created by lecturer for easy progress, and then we just right click to paste this, and then we press enter, and then it will configure our MQTT broker. we wait we wait for a while for it to configure, and then yeah, we're done. Okay, so that's about it for task 1.